Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word censorious. Censorious has 4 syllables and we pronounce it as censorious. 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 Censorious means being very critical or always finding fault in everything. It's like when someone is always pointing out mistakes and judging or criticizing others a lot. Imagine a person who attends a party and constantly criticizes the decorations, the food, the music, and almost everything in the party. That person is called censorious because they are very negative about different parts of the party. The example sentences are: number 1, she was censorious about everyone's choice of clothes. Number 2, being censorious can never make friendship stronger. Synonyms of censorious are critical, blameful, judgmental. The antonyms are positive, praiseful, approval. The word censorious is an adjective. Common preposition used with the word censorious is of, and the other prepositions are about and towards. Thanks for watching.